Good morning. It has been quite a week, hasn't it? With Hurricane Laura, so much has gone on. We are just in a constant state of change, aren't we? And what I've seen about change and with the people here at Unity Bay Area, Houston, is they take change and they take what the best of it is. And they prepare for what could happen, and yet we expect the best. And luckily, us in this area did receive not very much damage at all with Hurricane Laura. We hold everyone in prayer that was harmed through this storm. And we are seeing light and love shining upon them. And I just wanted to mention about change, because we have had a lot of change here at Unity Bay Area, Houston also. This week we had a meeting with all of our chaplains. I want to thank each and every one of you that's a chaplain for holding the consciousness 24 hours a day of spirit with our congregants and with each other. It's a wonderful thing, and so thank you. And as I was talking to our chaplains, though, I found out that people are having a hard time finding our service. They're having a hard time watching our service. So we are making some changes here. After the Sunday service, you will be getting an email. And on that email, you should be able to click on the link and watch the Sunday service. You don't have to do a search. You don't have to go on Facebook or on YouTube. You can just click on that if you cannot watch it at the Sunday service. At the Sunday service, we also will be making some changes to where you can get on sooner, especially on Facebook, and know that you are at the right place at the right time. I hope you can join us for this Sunday. And this Sunday we are going to be talking about prayer and how it relates to science. We're going to be talking about how to release those nuts, let go of them. And I'm going to be answering an important question. Why are my prayers not answered? Please join me and our great music team, our AV team, all our volunteers this Sunday at 10:30 on Facebook or YouTube. Come, let us grow in our spirituality together. I know, and I'm seeing that you guys are all going to have a great week. Blessings to each and every one of you. Take care. Till Sunday.